In this demonstration, we will install the Adlumin agent on a Windows endpoint. Navigate to Downloads in the left pane and select the agent installer for the OS. In this example, we will download the Windows MSI Installer. Open the file and start the Adlumin agent setup wizard. When the wizard completes installing the agent, click Close. Check the Task Manager to make sure Adlumin is running. Navigate to Endpoints in the left menu and scroll down to verify the agent installation and view device details.